I want to show you the progress of what's going on here in this building. They've started this morning taking down some of the lumber and doing some demolition, and I just want to show you the progress of what's going on here. Yeah, this is Marv from Marv's Fixit shop. I've been doing this for over 5 decades. You can see here that it's opened up and we have quite a bit more demo materials here. And as you look up here, these trusses, you can see that they're all open now and that old roof has been removed. And it's starting to really look a little bit better now, even with that much off. Now, also, I want to draw to your attention the fact that they've taken this portion right here down and demoed it, and we're going to throw some framing across there and just roof that in. There's a lot of material here that will have to be taken to a dumpster. Boy, I'll tell you what, I have got my work cut out for me, don't I? Just so much to do and not that much time to do it in. And the reason I say that is we want to have this ready by fall so we can rent some of these spaces out. That's our hope. I heard that door slam back there. It startled me. I thought somebody snuck in. Well, what do you think of this old building? Is it coming? Looks better, doesn't it? Drop some comments down below. Tell me what you think of it, and is there anything you would do differently? I hope to get my S185 Bobcat back operational this week. I've got to switch this tire out here. Yeah, it's got some life left to it, I guess, but it sure is a rough ride. I'll probably switch it because that just shakes me up, but it would go a little longer. What do you guys think? There again, you can see what's been done from another perspective. Looks pretty good, coming right along. I'll tell you what, let's walk out back and see what it looks like from that direction. With the roof opened up like that, framing looks so much better than when it did when it was enclosed with all that rotten lumber. Some open air shots of the inside of this building. Walking out back here, looking at this mess again. We'll see what it looks like from this direction. They still got a little bit to do here, don't we? Look at that. Maybe tomorrow they'll start getting some of that closed back up. That would be good. This is dried out really nicely in here today, though. It's amazing, but it is mostly gravel, sandy gravel from being the old railroad bed. We'll walk back in here and try to get a look at some of this from this perspective. I know, it's a mess, but give us a little time and it'll change a lot. Anyway, I keep telling myself that in hopes that it'll come true. I think it'll come true. What do you think? I just need to get this water from there out of here. And the way I do that is just start digging me some trenches from right there to right there. Then it has a way to get out of here. But this is really dry in here for as much rain as we had. So basically the wetness is just against the building. I can live with that because I know I can fix it. Let's get out of here. I'll continue to bring you updates on this as I get them. I'm here the next day and just wanted to take a quick walk through so you can see what's going on in here. They got all the trash pushed in each of these bins. They've got all these posts propped up and straightened out. A lot better than I had it. Looks pretty good for the most part. So now they're ready to start up above. I believe that'll be for tomorrow. But just getting these posts where they need to be, it's a big deal, I guess. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them they worked on. Looks like everything looks good. Use big heavy screws to fasten the timbers. So, looks real good. It's coming right along. I'll bring you back again on another time. Taking a look up here in the rafters, bird's eye view. Actually looks pretty good, doesn't it? You can see they got that other part over there knocked down so it's flush with the roof. Looks pretty decent. This will be filled in right here like it used to be back originally. And I apologize up front if there's any wind noise here. I wanted to show you more about what this wetness is here on the edge of the roof. You can see the water down there. Actually, it's not that bad. For as wet as this was the other day, and if I get a tile in here and trench it out that way like I said the other day, we're going to be fine with this back end. Have the old Bronco out today down here at this building. We're gonna go in and see what they got done today. Well, I can tell right now it is quite a bit darker in here. They have the metal on the roof. Wow, look at that. Now that would have taken me several days to do. And it looks to me like they've got it all on. Like I said, wow. Look at that. Let's go down here and see if this is framed in yet. Doesn't look like it. They got 2 by across. Yep, this still needs framed in here. But yes, we got a roof on here finally. Look at that. Wow. Well, looking at it from this perspective, really turned out pretty nice, didn't it? I think so. They got my ridge straight and they have my eaves straight. Looks like they knocked out a few of my short studs and started over. Wasn't the worst way to go, was it? Got this side all screwed down, replaced a few sheets. This spot up here where you see the lighter colored metal was pretty rotten, so we had to go down below and put nailers in, catch the screws. And you can just see how this looks. Still got to do something with that old roof over there. So a lot to do yet.